Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the ACT exam. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure, including the 4 main sections: English, Math, Reading, and Science, plus the optional writing test. Next, take a diagnostic practice test to pinpoint your current strengths in areas where you need more focus. Finally, develop a structured study plan, allocating specific times each week to cover different subjects and practice questions. This systematic approach will build your confidence. To study effectively, begin by reviewing the fundamental academic concepts tested in each section, from grammar rules to algebra formulas and scientific reasoning. Then, consistently practice with official ACT questions and full-length practice tests to become familiar with the question types and pacing. Focus on understanding why correct answers are right and incorrect ones are wrong. Also, develop strong time management skills for each section, as speed is crucial for a high score. To maximize your ACT score, thoroughly analyze every mistake you make on practice tests. Understand the underlying reasons for errors, whether it's a content gap or a misinterpretation of the question. Develop specific strategies for tackling challenging question types, like complex reading passages or intricate science experiments. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Consistent sleep, a balanced diet, and regular breaks are essential for optimal brain function and test day performance. As test day approaches, conduct at least one full-length practice test under simulated exam conditions, including timing and environment to build stamina. The night before, pack your bag with all necessary items: your admission ticket, a valid photo ID, several number 2 pencils, and an approved calculator. Get a good night's sleep and eat a nutritious breakfast. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other helpful deals and resources to support your journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.